mushroom crepe sarees with jacquard weaving, and you can check out this beautiful florals in the border with Meena buttees with silver zari and gold zari, and you can check out this pallu. Overall look for the saree. Let me show you the blouse. Easy to carry, easy to drape also. It comes with grand weaving blouse, stripes weaving with gold zari and silver zari. And check out this mushroom crepe with jacquard weaving. One more specialty is multi weaving Meena buttees. All over the border you'll get different kind of floral buttees, like inverted lotus it is, and beautiful concept with small zari weaving both the sides. You can check out this overall look also. And this is the rich pallu for the saree, and this is the detailed you can check out this detailed floral weaving all over the saree. And let me show you the jacquard weaving. It will get jacquard weaving all over the saree, and jacquard weaving and multi shaded Meena buttees, and the overall look, it's like beautiful saree. Let me show you. Check out this pallu, rich pallu, and check out this overall look for the saree. You can check out this mushroom sarees and with like buttees, floral buttees border with meenakari buttees. You can check out the border with meenakari buttees, like a blue color, lavender pink, and like small piping, like 1-inch zari woven border both the sides. And let me show you the pallu also. Overall look for the saree, and just check out this overall look. And let me show you the blouse also, and easy to carry, easy to drape. It comes with lines weaving pallu, stripes weaving pallu, sorry, blouse. You can check out this gold zari and silver zari, stripes weaving blouse. Same color what I'm wearing, and pure mushroom crepe sarees. You can check out this border also, like meenakari buttees has come, and with florals like inverted lotus and all over jacquard weaving and smaller piping like zari woven border either sides, equal length border. And let me show you the complete look for the saree. And this is the overall complete look for the saree. It comes with brocade weaving pallu, rich pallu with silver zari. And let me show you the blouse also. This is the blouse with silver weaving and golden weaving stripes all over the blouse. And this is light lavender color shade. You can check out this floral border, beautiful floral border all over the saree with Meena woven booties and inverted. It looks like inverted lotus, and easy to carry, easy to drape also. And check out this pallu, brocade weaving pallu. This is the overall complete look for the saree, and you'll get jacquard weaving all over the saree. You can check out this jacquard weaving. It is visible now. And let me show you the blouse. Soft, easy to carry, easy to drape. And this is the stripes weaving blouse with gold zari and silver zari. This beautiful purple color shade and Meena buttees, pink color buttees all over the saree with geometric weaving pattern. Looks like kaddi border both the sides. And let me show you the pallu, and this is the pallu part. Steps like weaving, zigzag weaving pattern, and Meena weaving is there with gold and silver zari. And this is the base fabric for the saree, crepe fabric, and in this fabric the floral weaving is done like this. And this is the blouse, buttees woven blouse with kaddi woven border for hands, same as border, and they have given satin border too. And let me show you the saree in open. And easy to carry, easy to drape, weightless too, and looks grand here when you drape it. And presenting this beautiful Mysore crepe sarees with Meena weaving, polka weaving dots all over the saree and geometric pattern. And you can look at this geometric weaving pattern, looks like kaddi border both the sides. And let me show you the saree in open. And this is the zigzag weaving pallu with Meena and gold zari. And this is the base fabric for the saree. And in this base fabric, the weaving is done, floral weaving motifs is done all over the saree. And buttees woven blouse with zari woven border for hands. Let me show you the saree in open. Like, check out this, how beautiful it is. It's like trending color and trending design in Mysore crepe. Let me show you the saree in open. Just check out this weaving pattern, and the fabric is so soft and easy to carry, easy to drape, weightless too. Crepe sarees, like you can check out this beautiful pitchwai printed border and 3 lines border. And let me show you the sarees in open. The finishing is done perfect. This is the beautiful floral printed pallu, and you'll get floral printed blouse with border. And let me show you the saree. And this is the saree all over floral print booties and floral print border. 4 folding mahadi. This is lavender color saree in 1 gram tissue, and embroidery booties and embroidery border with birds, swan and floral. And the lace is given all over the saree. Even the shoulder part border will get the embroidery. And even you can check out the pallu, beautiful pallu with twin birds and twin swan and twin florals. And you can check out the backside portion of the embroidery. It's perfect and easy to carry, easy to drape. The fabric is so lightweight. And let me show you the and this is the pleating part of the saree. You'll get embroidered booties up to knee. And let me show you the. And this is the blouse, and this is the blouse. You'll get embroidery border for hands. Brown color shade, trending brown color shade with floral weaving pattern all over the saree with Meena polka dots weaving and geometric weaving pattern in the curved type. Looks like kaddi border both the sides. And let me show you the pallu. One soft in nature, easy to carry, easy to drape, and you can drape the pleating area like very easy, soft in nature, and zigzag pattern all over the saree. Meenakari, silver zari weaving in the pallu. And this is the base fabric. In this base fabric, the weaving is done pure crepe fabric, and this is the buttees woven blouse with like border, zari woven borders, and this is a satin border. And you can use either satin or zari weaving border for hands. And let me show you the saree in closer view for this beautiful color. That too If you drape the saree, it looks more elegant and rich. Mysore crepe sarees with like floral, like you can check the two different types of floral weaving available in all over weaving, and meenakari buttis with kaddi style floral weaving border. You can check the floral weaving border, like circle type floral weave. This is not floral also, this is a circle geometric weaving border, looks like kaddi. And this is pallu, Meena pallu, zigzag weaving with silver and gold zari, and this is the base fabric for the sari. In this base fabric the weaving is done like this, and this is buttis woven blouse with kaddi woven border for hands. Let me show you the sari in closer view. And check out this beautiful blue color, and this is also a new color we have introduced now in this crepes. And this is a Mysore crepe silk sarees, premium Mysore silk crepe silk sarees. You'll get a geometric weaving pattern in curves like weaving. That too looks like kaddi borders both the sides, and floral weaving like buttis like all over the saree. You'll get floral weaving, two different type of florals with Meena polka dots weaving all over the saree. Look at this, how beautiful the saree is. And let me show you the pallu. This is Meena weaving pallu with silver zari and gold zari. And look at this border too for the pallu. And next I'll show you the blouse. This is the crepe fabric. You can check out how soft it is. This is the crepe fabric. In this crepe fabric the weaving is done, and buttis woven blouse with zari woven border for hands. And let me show you the pleating part too. See how beautiful it is, and you can pleat it easily, easy to carry, easy to drape, weightless too. And beautiful sea green color shade, blue mixed green with zari woven concept all over the saree. You can check out the beautiful floral weaving all over the saree with Meena weaving polka dots. Coming to the border, you'll get geometric weaving circle borders in curve shape. Looks like kaddi border both the sides, and soft in nature, easy to carry, easy to drape. And this is the like zigzag pattern pallu with Meena weaving zari, silver zari. And this is the base fabric for the saree, pure crepe saree. In this, the weaving is done like this. And let me show you the blouse. And this is the blouse. I'll get buttis woven blouse with kaddi woven border for hands. And you can use this satin border or zari woven border for hands. Let me show you the saree, closer view. And look at this beautiful design and pattern. And when you drape the saree, it looks more elegant and rich. And these are Mysore crepes, premium Mysore crepes with like a floral motif all over, and meenakari buttis. You can check the pink color meenakari buttis and like floral weaving pattern border. Both the sides looks like kaddi border. And let me show you the saree in open. And this is grand rich pallu. You can check this zigzag pattern pallu. And this is the base fabric. In this base fabric, the weaving is done. And this is the blouse, buttis woven blouse with zari woven border for hands. Let me show you the saree in open. It's beautiful saree and weightless, easy to carry, easy to drape. And you can check the saree detail. This is the silver and gold zari weaving pallu, Meena weaving pallu. And this is beautiful mehendi green shade with geometric weaving pattern. Both the sides looks like kaddi borders, and Meena weaving polka dots like all over the saree, pink shade. And this is a beautiful zigzag weaving pallu, like looks like steps. And this is the base fabric for the saree. In this base crepe fabric, the weaving is done like this. And this is the blouse, buttis woven blouse with zari woven border for hands. And let me show you the saree in detail. And weightless fabric, easy to carry, easy to drape. And this is beautiful crepes with geometric weaving pattern both the sides. Looks like kaddi border, and Meena buttis, darker pink shade, polka dots weaving, Meena buttis all over the saree, and floral weaving all over the saree. You can check out this, both beautiful floral weaving all over the saree. And this is the pallu, zigzag weaving pattern pallu, and with Meena weaving, that is silver weaving is done. And this is the base fabric for the saree, and in this base fabric the weaving is done. And this is the blouse, and buttis woven blouse with zari woven border for hands. Let me show you the saree in closer view. And looks very beautiful, superb. Like when you wear the saree, looks grandeur and elegant. Trending onion pink color shade with silver zari weaving all over the saree, and beautiful floral weaving border both the sides. Look at this cute border. And let me show you the border in detail. And this is the saree, overall saree. You'll get this parrot weaving with like rose gold zari and silver zari, and the shaded weaving is done all over the border. You can look at this border, how beautiful it is. And let me show you the pallu. And even pallu, you'll get shaded weaving pallu. And let me show you the overall complete look. And this is the base fabric, crepe fabric. In this crepe fabric, the tissue weaving, silver zari tissue weaving is done. And this is the blouse, buttis woven blouse with hands, zari woven border for hands, kaddi woven border for hands, and floral weaving borders given. And the fabric is so soft and easy to carry. And look at this backside portion also, the weaving is done perfect. And weightless, soft in nature. White color shade with silver zari weaving all over the saree. Beautiful border. Look at this border, shaded weaving border with parrots. That too silver zari, gold zari, and rose gold zari is used. You can check out this border, how beautiful it is. And the fabric is so soft, crepe fabric. And look at this pallu. Wow, so beautiful it is. Look at this overall complete look for the saree. And the pallu, they have shaded weaving is done with silver zari and with 3 parrots with rose gold, silver zari and gold zari. And the shaded weaving is done all over the saree. And they have given the border. And look at this border for the saree also. Cute floral weaving border, small borders. And let me show you the base fabric. And this is the base fabric. In this base fabric, that silver tissue weaving is done. And let me show you the blouse. Look at this blouse, beautiful blouse, buttees woven blouse and 30 woven border for hands with floral weaving borders. Peach color shade. This is crepe tissue sarees. Let me show you the sarees in open. Fabric is so soft and easy to carry, easy to drape. And this is the base fabric. In this base crepe fabric, the tissue weaving is done like this, silver zari weaving, and it'll get like shaded weaving border with parrots. You can check out this beautiful parrots with shaded weaving borders and beautiful small floral weaving border both the sides. And let me show you the pallu. The fabric is so soft and easy to carry, and you can pleat the saree easily. And this looks like grandeur saree. And check out this beautiful parrot pallu. 3 parrots has come with silver zari, gold zari and rose gold zari. And let me show you the blouse also. And this is the base fabric. In this base fabric, the tissue weaving is done again. I'm telling, this is crepe fabric and 30 woven border for hands. Both the sides zari woven florals has come. This is beautiful parrots, pink color saree. And let me show you the saree overall view. Silver zari tissue weaving all over the saree in pure fabric, crepe fabric. And this is the pallu, and this is the base fabric for the saree. In this crepe fabric, the tissue weaving is done, and you can look at this pallu and explain you. And they have used rose gold zari, silver zari, and like they have given shaded like weaving all over the pallu. And even check out this border too. They have given shaded like weaving, beautiful parrots and florals. And let me show you the blouse also. And this is the buttees woven blouse for the saree. This is the base fabric and even 30 woven borders and both the sides floral weaving borders. And backside weaving portion is also they have given very perfect. Beautiful trending orange, like you'll get silver zari weaving all over the saree and shaded weaving border all over the saree. You can check the shaded weaving border. It's really different concept, and you get like small floral zari weaving borders at the end on both sides. And you get beautiful pallu. Let me show you the pallu. And this is the pallu, complete look for the saree. Like 3 different parrots weaving with rose gold zari and silver zari and shaded weaving all over the saree with florals. You can check out the shaded weaving here. It's visible, no? And even for the florals, they have given 3 layers, orange, silver and gold. It's too beautiful. And let me show you the blouse. And this is the blouse and this is the base fabric. In this base fabric, the tissue weaving is done. And buttees woven blouse with kadi woven border for hands. You'll get floral weaving borders also the hands. Let me show you this lilac lavender shade. Beautiful shade it is. It comes with silver zari weaving all over the saree with shaded weaving border with parrots. And you can check out this rose gold zari and silver zari, and like Meena, like this is also like rose gold zari. Yes, beautiful shaded weaving borders all over the saree and silver tissue weaving all over the saree. And let me show you the pallu. And look at this beautiful pallu with parrot weaving. Like they weaved with 3 parrots in the pallu with shaded weaving and different type of florals weaving available. And you can check out this border also, floral weaving border they have given. And even for the borders, saree borders on either side, they have given this small cute floral weaving borders. And let me show you the base fabric. And this is the base fabric. In this crepe fabric, the tissue weaving is done. And this is the blouse part. And buttees woven blouse with kadi woven border for hands. And they given and floral weaving borders for hands. Look at this beautiful tissue crepe sarees I'm happy to introduce in our brand. And look at this shaded portion like in the border weaving. This is shaded portion is weaving, it is not print. Even the parrots is also weaving with rose gold zari, silver zari and gold zari. And saree all over you'll get tissue weaving, silver zari tissue weaving. And best highlight part is small cute zari weaving floral border and both the sides. And you'll get buttees woven, silver buttees woven blouse with zari woven border for hands. And look at this beautiful pallu. Like two beautiful parrots with rose gold, silver zari and gold zari and shaded pallu, shaded weaving pallu. Look at this shaded weaving. It is visible, no? Shaded weaving. And let me show you the pleating part. And it is easy to drape and easy to carry, weightless too. You can pleat it easily. As the base fabric is crepe fabric and this is the crepe fabric. In this fabric tissue weaving is done, so the pleating will be so easy to drape. Purple color. Look at this beautiful parrots with rose gold, silver zari and gold zari and shaded weaving all over the saree. And look at this saree, like full of silver zari weaving in the crepe fabric. This is the base fabric for the saree. In this crepe fabric, they have weaved shaded weaving pallu and silver zari weaving all over the saree with shaded weaving border with parrots. And let me show you the overall complete look for the saree. And check out this pallu. Oh, beautiful, grand and elegant it is. And let me show you the blouse also. And this is the blouse. Buttees woven blouse and kadi woven border for hands, and you'll get floral weaving border for hands, and you'll get floral weaving border in either side of the saree. Saree collections and soft, easy to carry, easy to drape. And check out this booties also, closer golden booties, both the sides cutty style border, and you'll get paithani weaving pallu for the saree. And check out this overall complete look for the saree. And soft, easy to carry, easy to drape, and you'll get jacquard weaving blouse with cutty style. Soft, weightless, munga pattu crepe sarees with golden booties and both the sides cutty style border. And main highlight for the saree is paithani pallu. Let's check out this overall complete look for the saree. And this is jacquard weaving blouse with cutty woven border for hands. And this is pink color shade, munga pattu crepe sarees with booties, golden booties all over the saree. Both the sides cutty style border, and main highlight of the saree is paithani pallu. It is inspired from Gadwal sarees, and jacquard weaving blouse with cutty woven border for hands, and weightless, easy to carry. And this is munga pattu crepe sarees with closer booties and both the sides cutty style border. Check out the cutty style border, and even you'll get like height also like more than enough. And this highlight of the saree is you'll get paithani pallu for the saree, and even one more highlight is you'll get like jacquard weaving blouse for the saree. Easy, soft, and weightless, and like beautiful saree. Let me show you the saree draping also. And weightless, affordable range munga pattu crepe sarees with golden booties. You can check out the booties closer. And main highlight for the saree is paithani pallu. Check out this paithani pallu, beautiful paithani pallu, and it comes with jacquard weaving blouse with cutty woven border for hands. Weightless, affordable range munga pattu crepe sarees with booties closer, golden booties. Main highlight for the saree is paithani pallu, and have a closer look. And it comes with like jacquard weaving blouse with cutty woven border for hands. One more beautiful black color with golden booties, both the sides cutty style border, and soft, easy to carry, easy to drape, weightless also, and it comes with paithani pallu. And let me show you the blouse. And this is the blouse, jacquard weaving blouse. You'll get like cutty style border for hands. This is grey color shade with paithani borders, munga pattu crepe sarees. Let's check out this bandhani weaving. It is not handmade bandhani. Both the sides paithani borders. And let me show you the pallu for the saree. Paithani pallu, parrots weaving paithani pallu for the saree. And this is the overall complete look for the saree. Both the sides paithani borders and paithani pallu. And it comes with contrast blouse. Pattu crepe saree, soft, weightless, and easy to pleat. And bandhani weaving all over the saree with zari weaving booties. Both the sides paithani borders, and it comes with paithani pallu, beautiful paithani pallu. Let me show you like how the product. And this is the overall complete look for the saree. And even the color combination is like different, onion pink shade. And let me show you the blouse now. And this is the blouse for the saree. And this is green color shade with paithani border, weightless, soft munga pattu crepe sarees with bandhani weaving and paithani borders both the sides with paithani pallu. Beautiful parrots paithani pallu. And check out the saree how it looks. And check out this combination. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. And check out this weaving bandhani sarees with paithani borders both the sides. You can check out this paithani borders and beautiful paithani borders both the sides. And it is weaving bandhani sarees, and you'll get paithani rich pallu. And you can check out this bandhani, weaving bandhani sarees. It is not handmade bandhani, it is weaving bandhani, and it is purple color shade with red color border, and pleating is easy. In munga pattu crepe sarees fabric, you'll get paithani borders both the sides. Check out the pleats also. It is like easy to drape and easy to carry, and it gives you rich look and like best party wear collections. Trending orange color, that is soft munga pattu crepe sarees with weightless with paithani borders both the sides, and beautiful paithani pallu, and bandhani weaving with zari woven booties. And let me show you how the product is. And check out this orange, trending orange with paithani borders and with paithani pallu, and plain color blouse, contrast blouse with mia woven borders. This bandhani color, pink color saree with paithani borders, and it is weaving bandhani. It is not handmade bandhani. Easy to carry, easy to drape, weightless also. And check out this beautiful paithani pallu for the saree. And it comes with contrast blouse with mia woven borders for hands. And let me show you the saree how it looks. And check out the saree. And check out the height for the saree, and both the sides paithani borders, soft, weightless munga pattu crepe sarees with bandhani weaving and paithani borders, and beautiful paithani pallu for the saree. And let me show you how the saree look. And check out the saree, beautiful color combination with paithani pallu. It comes with plain blouse with mia woven borders.
స్పేస్ సిల్క్ శారీస్ విత్ మష్రూ ఫినిషింగ్ వస్తుంది, అండ్ పెన్ కలంకారీ స్టైల్లో బార్డర్స్ వస్తాయండి. అండ్ మంచి లైట్ పింక్ టోన్కి మిల్క్ వైట్ వస్తుంది, అండ్ బార్డర్స్ కూడా ఇలాగ వర్క్ చేసిన బార్డర్స్, అండ్ చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి, అండ్ స్మూత్ ఉంటుంది ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ పళ్ళు పాట ఈ సారీస్ అయితే చాలా స్మూత్గా, ఫ్లోయీగా, ఈజీ టు క్యారీ అండి, ఎంత బాగుంటాయో. అండ్ లహరియా ప్యాటర్న్ తీసుకొచ్చాము, అండ్ పళ్ళు పాట, అండ్ మంచి ఎలిఫెంట్ డిజైన్స్, అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో ఇలా బార్డర్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ అదర్వైజ్ మనకి ఏదైనా బ్లౌజ్ వైట్ కలర్లో ఎంబ్రాయిడరీస్ వచ్చిన బ్లౌజ్తో కూడా పేరప్ చేసేయచ్చు. అండ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అయితే చాలా మెత్తగా ఉంటుందండి. రెడీ టు డిస్పాచ్లో మల్టిపుల్ సెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ప్యూర్ మష్రూ సాటిన్ శారీస్. ప్యూర్ స్పేస్ సిల్క్ విత్ మష్రూ కాంబినేషన్. స్పేస్ సిల్క్ అండ్ మష్రూ అంటే స్మూత్గా ఉండే ఫాలింగ్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ ఇదంతా కలంకారీ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఈ స్టోన్స్ అంతా కూడా అతికించినవి, స్టిక్ చేసిన స్టోన్స్. అండ్ లెహరియా ప్యాటర్న్ వస్తుంది. మంచి మెహందీ గ్రీన్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్, పేస్టల్ కలర్స్ తీసుకున్నాము. అండ్ చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ పళ్ళు పాట అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో మనకి కాంట్రాస్ట్ వస్తుంది. మిల్క్ వైట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ బ్లౌజ్ అండ్ మెహందీ గ్రీన్ కాంబినేషన్లో శారీ. చాలా లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ ఈజీ టు క్యారీ. మంచి అఫోర్డబుల్ బడ్జెట్ రేంజ్లో వస్తున్న శారీస్. ఎల్లో విత్ వైట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్లో వస్తున్న శారీ అండి. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉండింది. కాంబినేషనే చాలా బాగుండింది. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మష్రూ శారీస్ విత్ స్పేస్ సిల్క్ కాంబినేషన్. స్పేస్ సిల్క్ అండ్ మష్రూ ట్రెండింగ్లో ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ పెన్ కలంకారీ వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఇలాగ మనకి శారీలో బార్డర్ మొత్తం కూడా ఈ స్టోన్స్తో స్టిక్ చేసి వస్తుంది. అండ్ పళ్ళు ఆల్సో మంచి వైట్ కలర్ వస్తుంది, మిల్క్ వైట్. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్లో హ్యాండ్స్కి ఇలా వస్తాయి. ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ చాలా మెత్తగా షైనీగా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఉంటాయండి. మంచి అఫోర్డబుల్ బడ్జెట్ రేంజ్లో ఉన్న శారీస్. ప్యూర్ స్పేస్ సిల్క్ విత్ మష్రూ ఫినిషింగ్ శారీస్. కలంకారీ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది అండ్ స్టోన్ వర్క్ తీసుకున్నాము. మంచి లెహారియా ప్యాటర్న్ వస్తుంది అండ్ మిల్క్ వైట్ బార్డర్ వస్తుందండి. అండ్ లైట్ బ్లూ షేడ్ శారీకి మిల్క్ వైట్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ కంప్లీట్గా శారీ మొత్తం కూడాను ఇలాగే బార్డర్ వచ్చేసి మంచిగా లెహారియా ప్యాటర్న్. అండ్ బోత్ సైడ్స్ బార్డర్స్ ఇలాగనే వస్తాయి. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పళ్ళు పాటలు కూడా పెన్ కలంకారీ వస్తుంది. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్లో ఇలాగ హ్యాండ్స్కి వస్తుంది. అండ్ ప్లెయిన్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుందండి. ప్లెయిన్ బ్లౌజ్కి ఇలాగ హ్యాండ్స్లో వర్క్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ చాలా స్మూత్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉన్నాయి శారీస్. రెడీ టు డిస్పాచ్లో ఉన్నాయి. లెహారియా విత్ ప్యూర్ స్పేస్ సిల్క్ శారీస్. సాటిన్ ఫినిష్ వస్తుందండి, మష్రూ సాటిన్. అండ్ బార్డర్స్ అంతా మనకి ఇలాగా స్టోన్ వర్క్ వస్తుంది. ఇదంతా కంప్లీట్గా స్టిక్ చేసింది నేను అతికించినవే. అండ్ కింద చిన్న బార్డర్ ఇచ్చారు. సో మనకి వర్క్ గుచ్చుకోవడం అలా ఏముండదు. అండ్ బార్డర్స్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ఇంత కూడా కలంకారీ స్టైల్లో వస్తుంది. అండ్ మంచి లావెండర్ కలర్ టోన్ ఉన్న శారీ. అండ్ క్రీమ్ కలర్ తీసుకున్నాము, మిల్క్ క్రీమ్ అలాగా. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటాయి అండ్ లైట్ వెయిట్ ఉంటాయి. మంచి కాక్టైల్ పార్టీ ఎడిషన్. పళ్ళు పార్టీలా వస్తుంది అండ్ శారీలో. అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ ఆల్సో హ్యాండ్స్కి ఇలాగా బార్డర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ తీసుకున్నామండి, మిల్క్ వైట్ కాంబినేషన్. అండ్ రెడీ టు డిస్పాచ్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అయితే చాలా మెత్తగా ఉంటుంది. రెడీ టు డిస్పాచ్లో ఉన్నాయి. స్పేస్ సిల్క్ విత్ మష్రూ కాంబినేషన్లో వస్తున్న శారీస్. లెహారియా ప్యాటర్న్ తీసుకున్నాము. అండ్ బార్డర్స్ అయితే సూపర్ హైలైట్ ఉన్నాయి పెన్ కలంకారీ కాంబినేషన్ తోటి. అండ్ ఇలాగ మనకి స్టోన్స్ అయితే స్టిక్ చేసామండి, అతికించిన స్టోన్స్ ఇవి. ఊడిపోవడం అలా ఏం ఉండదు. అండ్ మనం యూసేజ్ని బట్టి ఉంటుందండి. ఊడదు అంటే కంప్లీట్గా ఊడదని కాదు. అండ్ కంప్లీట్గా పెన్ కలంకారీ స్టైల్లో కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్స్ వస్తున్నాయి బోత్ సైడ్ శారీలో. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పళ్ళు అండ్ బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ హ్యాండ్స్లో ఇలాగ చిన్న బార్డర్తో తీసుకున్నామండి. చాలా బాగుండింది. అండ్ లైట్ బ్లూ కలర్కి ఇలాగ క్రీమ్ కలర్ మిల్క్ వైట్ టోన్లో బార్డర్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ రెడీ స్టాక్లో ఉన్నాయి.